Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher for today, being 20th August 2024. The Morse code for today is TWERK, TWERK. The first thing you do is to click on daily cipher here. When you click on daily cipher, you get the first letter, which is T. To get this T, you do one dash. For the second letter, which is W, you do one dot and two dashes. Then for the E, you do one dot. Let's start again. For the T, just one dash. W is one dot and two dashes. For the E, is just one dot. Then the R is one dot, one dash, and another dot. The last letter, which is K, is one dash, one dot, and another dash. So the code has been cracked. Click on take the prize. That's it for today's video, guys. Please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.